Hello everyone, quick video on how to reset the service light on a Mercedes C-Class, A-Class, E-Class, G-Class, whatever class, as long as it looks a bit like this. So late 1990s, early 2000s, they're usually like this. So if it's like this and you need to reset the service light, all you do, pop the key in the ignition, put it into position 2, so that's where all the lights show up. There we go, so don't turn the car on, and then use this message thing to find the service exceeded. So get to the mileage, oops, bear with me, let me get to the mileage, and then press the up and down arrow to find the, there we go. Then once you got that, hold down this button, let go, and then press it again for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and there you have it. Easy as that. Done. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.